Well, get rid of the ones that you don't ever play with. There's got to be some that you don't ever play with. You can't leave all that stuff out there. Hopefully you'll keep your bedroom clean.
Jake always screws my stuff up. I hate it.
Well, just, honey, all I'm saying is sure that it's what you want. Because you know I'm going to go out and probably get it right away. And I don't want you changing your mind. You know?